Okay, for the LPG stand for liquefied petroleum gas, and the term is used to describe two natural gas, liquid, propane and butane, or a mix of the two. Propane and butane are chemically quite similar, but the small differences in their properties mean that they are particularly suited to specific uses. Often, propane and butane will be mixed to get the best energy yield and properties. For propane lower boiling point is perfect for outdoor storage, and it is primarily used for central heating, commercial application, cooking and transport. For butane is mainly shipped in cylinders for portable applications such as mobile heaters, or for leisure activities such as boats, caravans and barbecues. Butane can also be used as a propellant refrigerant or to fuel welding torch. Liquefied petroleum gas LPG is commonly used as a fuel in various applications. For the first one is residential cooking and heating. LPG is widely used in households for cooking and heating. It provides a clean burning alternative to traditional fuel. The second one is commercial and industrial application. Many industries utilize LPG for processes such as heating, drying, and as a fuel for forklift and vehicle within industrial setting. For the third one is transportation. LPG can be used as a fuel for vehicle reducing emission compared to traditional gasoline or diesel. It is often chosen for buses, taxis, and some private vehicles. Liquefied petroleum gas can be used as an alternative fuel to power internal combustion engine, as it is more cleanly burning than gasoline and can produce lower amounts of some harmful emissions such as carbon dioxide. However, the availability of vehicles that are LPG fuel is limited. In addition, it is harder to find places to refill LPG as it's not as widely used as gasoline and diesel. The last one is refrigeration and air conditioning. LPG serves as a refrigerant in some applications, particularly in areas where other refrigerants with higher environmental impact are being faced. It is essential to handle and store LPG with care due to its flammable nature, and proper safety measures should be observed in all applications. How to store liquefied petroleum gas LPG? Storing liquefied petroleum gas LPG typically contained in steel or composite container as a liquid varying in size from small BBQ gas bottle to larger gas cylinder and LPG storage tanks. Like I will show you the photo of the type of LPG storage. Due to safety reasons, the gas storage should be located at outside building. The proper installation with an approved accessory only can be used to avoid the gas accidents.
LPG has many advantages and disadvantages. So one of the advantages being cleaner burning, in which LPG produces fewer emissions compared to traditional fuels. Second, because of its versatility, in which suitable for various applications, from cooking to transportation. And then, it is also efficient by providing high energy yield per unit of volume. Lastly, because of its portability, LPG can be stored and transported easily in containers. Moving on to disadvantages, LPG is highly flammable. Because of its flammable gas, proper handling and storage is crucial. Secondly, storage and infrastructure requires specialized storage facilities and distribution infrastructure. It's also non-renewable because LPG is derived from fossil fuels, making it a finite resource. Lastly, because of its price volatility, prices can fluctuate due to factors like global oil prices and geopolitical events. Using LPG involves a balance between its advantages and potential drawbacks, depending on specific needs and considerations. For the production of LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, it is produced during the refining process of crude oil or extracted during the processing of natural gas. The gases produced in this process are mainly propane and butane with small amounts of other gases. These gases are liquefied through pressurization to make them easier to transport and store. To liquefy the fuel, gases are stored in sturdy tanks and held at high pressures, about 20 times atmospheric pressure. These tanks have additional safety features because of this extreme pressurization, mainly a built-in shut-off valve to seal the tank if there are leaks, and an extra sturdy design. In conclusion, LPG is very important for the production and factory in terms of chemistry. And so, we can conclude that LPG is highly versatile and highly needed in production and factorization, such as using it for homes and also in terms of economical value. Not only do they have advantages, but we must also make sure that we know more about the disadvantages so that we know what to do in the future to improve LPG production. And that is all for now. Thank you.